Hey everybody, it's for Angry Bird lovers or likers, you know. Anyways, I like Angry Birds if you guys didn't know, and so yeah, you should check out this Angry Birds rap. It's called the Angry Birds rap. So yeah, let's get started.
And we're launching, and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go pop. We're the best birds, but we're angry. If you take our eggs, we're never gonna stop. Every female rivalry will get 3 stars and set you straight. Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. Screw the pigs, the wearing helmets, hard hats, using tricks, fake mustaches and green skin. It don't matter 'cause I know I'm gonna win. Birds on the side, they're pretty fly. Launch them in the air, the pigs can't hide. It's totally fair, you took her eggs like a spy. And besides, I got my finger as a guide. Touch the screen, the birds are angry. Mean they don't stop on Christmas or Halloween. They're always gonna switch to a different theme. They're definitely making up the greatest team. Got that slingshot and pull it back. Aim for the right spot, then attack. You took our eggs, that was whack. And if you do it again, we're coming back. But sometimes you pigs just won't go. Always come again like 4 in a row. We gotta get them to stop 'cause they will overflow. Say goodbye, no hello. Stop your laughing and stop the snatching. We don't have eggs, so we don't have hatch. Get ready for the birds who are so diverse. Let's talk about them in the next verse. And we're launching, and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go pop. We're the best birds, but we're angry. If you take our eggs, we're never gonna stop. Every female rivalry will get 3 stars and set you straight. Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. Black and yellow, red, white, and blue. Even green is a color thrown in there too. A little behind, well then let's go through all the words and the birds that are gonna help you. The red bird, the first one you need, the first bird to tweet, and the first to feed. So take a seat, watch the bird compete.
Wait, pause it for a second. 1 second. Be right back. I have like the Angry Birds. I have the Angry Bird plush toys. Angry Bird plush toys. So yeah, I got the tags on them. So yeah, I got the tags as I just said, and they have sounds. That's the yellow one, here's the red one. It makes the same sound. So yeah, they both make the same sounds, and okay, let's get on with the video.
What's petite? It is elite. It's a basic bird who's not going unheard. Doesn't have a power, ain't that absurd? But still the red one could be lots of fun, 'cause then we get a home run and the pigs are done. Look up in the sky and you will see blue, 'cause after the red, this bird had a debut. Is my vision blurred? What's that I see? Looks like that bird just became free. Yeah, that's right, 'cause blue came to fight, bringing on the class and breaking all the glass. Never running out of gas, don't need a pass. Getting every pig, even the last. You can call them as bird 1, bird 2, so don't forget it, say I heard you.
So yeah, it's halfway. So yeah, the Angry Birds rap. I put on my YouTube page, so I'll put on my YouTube so you guys can watch it, I guess. Alright. Oh, darn it. One second. Alright, bye.